Issues today. We got this reefer unit opened up, and let me show you what we had to do, guys. I'm at the reefer shop. We don't have any space till tomorrow, so we diagnosed the problem ourselves. We have this cable right here from our starter, man. It's going to our control unit all the way on this side, and our control unit wouldn't turn on. So we had to diagnose where the problem was, and we used this tester just to go along the cable to see. So this whole cable is pretty much bad. I literally just cut the thing right here, man, and we hardwired a whole separate cable to the control unit right here, directly to the starter. And guess what? It lives. So happy we got this done. These guys said they had no space for me tonight, not until tomorrow morning. And honestly, I don't feel like sitting here like 4 or 5 hours or all day to lose another load. Put on some zip ties and call it a night. Yeah, let's G.